Looking for a profitable ACP recycling business? This video shows how waste panels become high-value materials. Every year, millions of tons of ACP waste are generated worldwide. Most of it is landfilled or wasted. But with the right equipment, this waste becomes your profit source. ACP, or Aluminum Composite Panel, contains 2 aluminum layers and 1 plastic core. Both materials have strong market demand. Waste ACP panels are fed into our heavy-duty shredder. Large sheets are reduced into uniform pieces. This ensures continuous and stable operation. The crushed material enters the grinding system. Aluminum and plastic are fully released and separated. Optimized particle size improves final purity. Our core technology: high efficiency electrostatic separation. Different materials receive different electric charges. Aluminum and plastic are separated with high accuracy. Dry process. No water, no chemicals, low cost. Advanced air separation and screening. Remove dust and light impurities. Only clean, qualified products enter the final collection system. Final output: high purity aluminum granules. Market-ready plastic particles, ready for direct sale or further processing. With this recycling line, you get high recovery rate, low power consumption, minimal labor cost, fast return on investment, turn waste into steady income, modular design, easy installation, stable performance, long service life, customized capacity to match your business scale, technical support, and global service. Start your ACP recycling project today. Contact us now for layout, quotation, and ROI analysis. Leave a message below. Let's build your recycling business together.